Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi barakatuh. Dear students, today we'll solve examples of practice set 8.1 from the chapter quadrilaterals, construction and its types. So practice set 8.1, first example. In quadrilateral MORE, length MO is equal to 5.8 centimeter, length OR is equal to 4.4 centimeter, major angle M is equal to 58 degree, major angle O is equal to 105 degree, and major angle R is equal to 90 degree. Construct quadrilateral MORE. So for constructing quadrilateral, first we have to draw the base MO 5.8 centimeter, then make an angle of 58 degree at point M. At point O, make the angle of 105 degree. Then from O, distance OR is equal to 4.4. So plot the point R at distance 4.4 from O. Then join. This is they will intersect the point. We'll get the quadrilateral MORE. So let us proceed with the construction. So first draw the base segment of length for 5.8 centimeter. Base of length 5.8 centimeter. Now with the help of protractor, make the angle MO is equal to 5.8 centimeter. Then with the help of protractor, measure angle M is equal to 58 degree. So 58 degree at M. Then measure angle O is equal to 105 degree. 105 degree is an obtuse angle. So your 0 is pointing towards this side. M 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, here 90, 100 and 105 degree. So 105 degree angle O. Angle O is 105 degree. Angle M is 58 degree. Now take distance equal to 4.4 in the compass. Distance equal to 4.4 in the compass and 4.4 centimeter. Distance equal to 4.4 centimeter. Keep the pointer at O and plot the point R. So distance OR is 4.4 centimeter. Now join angle R. Now angle R is equal to 90 degree. Angle R is 90 degree. So with the help of again protractor, keep the base of the protractor along the line OR and 90 degree angle and join it. So this is how we can construct quadrilateral MOR. Point of intersection of both the rays is E. This is how we can construct quadrilateral MORE. Construct quadrilateral DEFG such that DE is equal to 4.5 centimeter, EF is equal to 6.5 centimeter, DG is equal to 5.5 centimeter, length DF is equal to 7.2 centimeter, and length EG is equal to 7.8 centimeter. So for constructing the quadrilateral, the requirements are 5 elements. Measurements of 5 elements should be given. So here 5 measurements of 5 elements are given. So now first we'll draw the base segment of length base segment of length 4.5 centimeter. This is the rough diagram, analytical figure. So first draw the base, then with the help of compass take distance is equal to 7.8, draw the arc, then intersect that arc from point D, 5.5 centimeter, then from point D again 7.2 centimeter arc, and from E 6.5 centimeter, and join the points. You will get the quadrilateral DEFG. So let us proceed with the fair figure. First draw the base of length 4.5 centimeter. Base is equal base DE equal to 4.5 centimeter. Now with the help of compass take distance equal to 5.5 centimeter and draw the arc. Then from EG is 7.8 centimeter, take distance is equal to 7.8 centimeter in the compass. Distance is equal to 7.8 centimeter, and from point E, here 5.5 centimeter arc, they should intersect in one point. Conjoin DG and EG. This is 5.5 centimeter and 7.8 centimeter. Now from point E, with the help of compass, take distance equal to 6.5 centimeter. Take distance equal to 6.5 centimeter in the compass, and from E draw the arc. Now from D, F is at distance of 7.2 centimeter, so take distance equal to 7.2 centimeter in the compass, 7.2, and from D cut the arc. Now join the arcs, point of intersection of arc and point E, and this is point F. G, join GF. This is how you can construct quadrilateral DEFG. This is 6.5 centimeter. Third example, in quadrilateral ABCD, length AB is equal to 6.4 centimeter, BC is equal to 4.8 centimeter, angle A is 70 degree, angle B is 50 degree, angle C is 140 degree. Construct quadrilateral ABCD. So to construct quadrilateral, measurements of its 5 elements should be given. Requirement is 5 elements, so 3 angles and measure of 2 sides are given. So we can construct the quadrilateral. So first base AB 6.4 centimeter, then angle A 70 degree, angle B 50 degree. Then from B, the point C at distance of 4.8 centimeter, and at point C make the angle of 140 degree. We'll get the quadrilateral ABCD. So first draw the base segment of length 6.4 centimeter. So base of length 6.4 centimeter. Length AB is equal to 6.4 centimeter. Now with the help of protractor, angle A is equal to 70 degree. Measure of angle A 70 degree. from point B. Major angle B is 50 degree, acute angle. So 0 is pointing toward left hand side. Here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 degree. Now with the help of compass, take distance is equal to 4.8 centimeter in the compass. Distance equivalent to 4.8. So 4.8 centimeter. Now draw the arc of 4.8 centimeter. Now this is our point C, 4.8 centimeter. Now with the help of protractor again, angle C is equal to 140 degree. So angle C is 140 degree, obtuse angle. So 0 is pointing towards this side, 0, 10, 20, here 90, 100, 110, 20, 30 and 140 degree. And draw the angle of 140 degree at point C. This will be point D. Your angle is 140 degree. This is how we can construct quadrilateral ABCD of the given measure. Fourth example, construct quadrilateral LMNO such that length MO is equal to 7.5 centimeter, LN is equal to length LO is equal to 6 centimeter, length ON is equal to length NM is equal to 4.5 centimeter. So construct a quadrilateral. So the steps to construct the quadrilateral are: first, draw the length OM 7.5 centimeter. Now two sides are given equal. So here these two sides from O at a distance of 4.5 centimeter cut, draw the one arc. From M, same distance, draw the another arc. Then from O, length 6 centimeter, draw the arc down below the segment OM, and one from M also, same length, intersect the arc, then join the points and you will get the quadrilateral LMNO. So we'll proceed with the fair figure. So first draw the diagonal of the quadrilateral, that is, draw a segment of length 7.5 centimeter, 7.5 centimeter. OM is 7.5 centimeter. Now take distance equal to 4.5 in the compass. So distance is equal to 4.5. Keep the pointer at M, draw the arc, same length, keep the pointer at point O and intersect that arc. This is the point of intersection, is point N. Join ON and M. Now take the distance equal to 6 centimeter. Take distance is equal to 6 centimeter in the compass. From point OM, draw the arc below the segment OM of length 6 centimeter. Same distance, keep the pointer at O and intersect the arc and join the point of intersection of R and O and M. From M, the point of intersection is here point L. This distance is 6 centimeter. Here it is 4.5 centimeter. This is how we can construct the quadrilateral. When the measurements of 5 elements of the quadrilateral are given, we can construct the quadrilateral. So this is the construction of quadrilateral L and N O. All of you draw all the constructions in your notebook.